Hey, guess what? I'm at the Menu Festival. Two beautiful ladies here. But hey, who's the fastest chef?
The man in the pan.
Okay, big sucker to the man in the pan. Come on. Hey, guess what, man? My friend Chad over here, he works at Time Supermarket. But hey, who's the fastest chef?
Man in the pan.
Okay, big sucker to the man in the pan. Awesome. Hey, guess what, man? Two of my friends here on the wall. But who's the fastest chef?
Man in the pan.
Big sucker to the man in the pan. Awesome. Hey, guess what? I'm in the Menu Festival. Two beautiful ladies here. Your name?
Karine. Crystal.
But who's the fastest chef?
Man in the pan.
Okay, big shout out to Man in the Pan. Welcome to the Man and the Pans. Today I'm going to do something really simple for you, like slam bam. I'm going to make sausage wonton pea. Put on the pan, dump in some oil. Got some Yorkshire sausage, you see? Smoky sausage like that. And I got some wonton wrapper. Wonton wrapper, Yorkshire sausage. You got amazing fufu. Got the sausage. You can wrap it whatever way you want. Like me, I just fold it in just to make it nice, just like this. Put it in the angle just like this. Okay? You fold it up, just like that. Fold this side in, and just like that. Just like on sailboat, yeah? You see? Yeah? Origami. You know, this makes an excellent fufu. Yeah? The oil smells hot. Let me see if it's... Okay, when the oil starts to sizzle when you put in the chopstick, time to put it in, okay? Turn it around. Oh, this thing is really fast, it's cooking. Really super hot. Now you don't have to worry because the sausage is already pre-cooked. And when the thing gets crispy, it's time to take it out. Just like this, okay? When it's done, turn up the stove. And there you have it, man. Look at that. Yeah? Wonton Smokies. Just like that. Not gonna look good, but let's see how it tastes. And wonton Smokies. Look at that. Huh? Perfect. Mmm. Wow. This is so awesome. And then get the crispiness of the wonton. Oh. When you bite this thing, the flavor of the smoky just explodes in your mouth. Mmm. 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 Ah. Ooh. Hot. So until next week, we'll see you on the Man in the Pan. Problem with this, when you eat it, hard to stop. Mmm. Ah. Oh. Lord.